I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Windows edition so you know which options appear. This matters because layouts differ between Windows 10 and Windows 11. Next, pick an image file. JPEG or PNG works reliably, and make sure its aspect ratio matches your display to avoid stretching. Once ready, open Start, type Settings, then choose Personalization. You're already in the first actionable screen. Move to Background and keep the chosen image visible, so you can select it in the next step. Now in Background, choose Picture for a single image, Solid Color for minimalism, or Slideshow to rotate images automatically. This choice affects performance and battery. Click Browse to select your file, then set the Fit option. Fill fills the screen, Fit preserves the whole image, and Span covers multiple monitors, so it displays correctly. If you have more than one monitor, set each monitor's wallpaper individually or span one panoramic image across all screens. Make sure the resolution matches to avoid blurring. Finalize by confirming the displayed result. Settings usually applies changes immediately, so you can close the window when satisfied. If the image appears cropped, blurry, or repeated, check its resolution and aspect ratio, then try a different fit option. This fixes most display issues. If the wallpaper refuses to change, ensure no group policy, theme sync, or active desktop restriction is blocking updates. Reboot or sign out to reset the shell. One troubleshooting tip: try a different image to isolate file corruption versus system settings problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.